We are now heading back. I figured that was good. Night one. You know, I still got like 30 minutes to get back home. But then after that, we'll be back tomorrow. But I gotta make sure I have enough energy to, you know, continue for the next days. So yeah, taking the train back now. We finally got the right train. At least, hopefully. I think it is. Alright, y'all. I'm calling it for tonight. We were off the train, just went to 7-Eleven, got a bunch of water, because, you know, obviously I drank a good bit, but it's a heck of a night. I mean, banger first night. I can't believe I did that much, you know, just solo. I mean, it wasn't anything crazy, but for me, I'm hyped with that. I mean, that sets the tone for this whole entire trip. So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. I'm gonna get a good night's sleep. I'm gonna sleep in, because I think that's what really killed me in London, was just like waking up super early, getting a bad night's sleep. So I mean, I'm gonna try. I'm in the hostel, so we'll see. But yeah, see you tomorrow. Peace out from Tokyo. Okay, we just showered. Real good night. See you tomorrow. Peace. Good morning, vlog. It's now day 2 in beautiful Tokyo, Japan. Man, last night was pretty crazy. It's actually so funny. So this morning, you know, I'm getting dressed, you know, I'll shower just the fit of the day. I actually run into a guy in the hotel that it's, you know, it's 6:10 a.m. right now. And yeah, he literally was saying that he had just got back from drinking, you know, and I'm just heading out now and leaving. But you know, I think I established a lot of confidence from yesterday. So we're gonna go to a 7-Eleven right now, and I'm gonna go get some coffee, and then yeah, we're gonna kind of play it by ear. We're gonna go to the Tokyo Palace, and then yeah. But look at it's just. Oh, it's just beautiful. It's not that cold too. I'm only wearing a little sweater and a button up, so that's nice. Yeah, it's looking awesome. Okay, so just popped into a 7-Eleven. Got another one of these banger little coffees, some chocolate bread. The train station's right here, and I swear it's frowned upon actually if you eat on the trains. So I'm not gonna be doing that. I'm just gonna like eat the bread right now, and then yeah, then I think I'm gonna go walk around for a little. I'm gonna try to just call the hotel, the hostel that I'm at, because I definitely want to just do another night stay. But yeah. Okay, so I kind of just did like a big little like loop, drinking my coffee. The bread, chocolate bread, phenomenal. But dude, I swear these streets are just so beautiful. Here's some vending machines. I've yet to check those out. Also, I've tried to learn the word Ohio. I think that's how you say good morning. But like, dude, I swear I'm so scared to like interact and try in Japanese. Like even me saying like arigato is like scary. But also I don't know which way on the road I'm supposed to walk. That's like really confusing too. I figured the left side, since cars are like on the left, but yeah, I got no clue. So yeah, I think we're actually gonna walk to the train station now. Yeah, it's gonna be a good day. This coffee is so good. Shout out this little cafe latte. Okay, update. Down in the train stations, and I have no clue where I'm going. Literally zero clue. I think I was trying to hop on the train that went to Shinjuku, but this one does not seem like it's going to Shinjuku. So we're gonna see where I end up. But yeah, I just talked to my brother. It's only like it's like nearly 7 a.m. right now. So yeah, I'm trying to be. I don't know if you can see that, but 6:49. It's got like 2 minutes. All right, vlog. Okay, now I think we're actually in the actual Tokyo city. Oh, So beautiful. It literally looks so cool. Yeah, I also like, I don't really know like a lot of the laws on like recording. I think public is like completely fine. But yeah. No, it looks so cool. I know the exits I was taking said towards the Imperial Palace, which I feel like this has got to be the Imperial Palace. But yeah, we'll see. This literally is just so beautiful. Coming right now with these clouds. Oh, the moon. Coming right now with these clouds, it's breathtaking. It's so cool. Ooh. Look how just beautiful this area is. It's incredible. So, turns out I wasn't at the Tokyo Palace. I think that was just the hub for transportation. But yeah, there's so many people running out here, and I'm not sure. I think in here is where, like, at least on the maps, it looks like there's a couple temples and all this stuff. And yeah, so we're definitely just gonna try to walk around, you know, because I definitely can't swim. I cannot make it over any of that water, but it looks like very promising going around. Oh no, there's more water. I'm surprised there's so many people running. It's just all so beautiful. Like the fall, so many of the trees are like this yellow color, which is just so sick. Yeah, no, it's super beautiful. Alright vlog, so I got no clue. This entire, like, so much of this is like guarded by these big rocks and water. I don't know how to get in. It seems like a lot of places open at 9, so I'm wondering if like, so this is like Bueno Park, I think, and I'm pretty sure they have, at least ChatGPT was saying that they have a lot of like attractions. The park is huge, so I think a lot of those attractions open at 9. But also check this little, like, all these beautiful trees. Yes, I hope. I'm just gonna keep walking, and yeah, we'll see. But city in the background, whew, is literally all walls with water. There's no way to get in. I don't know how. The park is huge, but I literally see, like, I swear I've walked like well over a mile already, and I have no fathomable clue on how to get in. Oh, I know it's beautiful in there. I got a glimpse. I'll find a way. Literally look at how beautiful this is. This is like, it's insane. I don't even know what to say. It's so cool. Wow. Wow. Gotta figure out still how to get in there though. Our meal right now this morning. It's delicious. Being on the train now. I'm actually figuring these trains out so much. Yeah, I think I'm finally understanding the colors and the numbers. It's pretty confusing because there's so many, but the public transportation is just so good. Alright vlog, well that was quite the adventure. It's about 9 o'clock right now. We're back in the city, Chuao? I'm not sure how to say it, but we're back. A lot more sunny now. Gosh, I'm gonna go back. I gotta charge my phone. So I was kind of grinding my phone today. But yeah, we're gonna charge my phone, go back, maybe like hang out for a little, and yeah, then we'll go back out, go get active. Yeah, I think I'm gonna like do some editing, maybe edit out another food review, another YouTube video perhaps. I just want to kind of sit and chill for a little. Grab some water though. Gotta stay hydrated. Yeah. We'll just keep it pushing. Beautiful out here though. Right. We're now just down here in the little lobby. I'm gonna try to get some work done, edit up some videos. And yeah, it's only like not even 10 a.m. So yeah, I'm gonna do some work and then get back out there. I think I'm gonna go to Shibuya and meet up with a Canadian guy to look for some clothing. Okay, so your boy somehow made some friends. And I met a guy named Semen and Kyle. And we're gonna head out to Shibuya together.
Happened in India, but they were not
Alright vlog! We're heading to Shibuya. We have some new friends that we've met. You guys wanna introduce yourselves for the vlog?
Yeah, I'm Kyle from Connecticut.
Heck yeah.
I'm Naman, I live in Bay Area.
Heck yes, yes. We found some friends from the States. And yeah, we're heading to Shibuya to adventure around. We had a heck of a process to get even here, but yeah. Alright vlog, our good friend Roman here is taking us in. He's a technical software engineer at Google in Palo Alto. And we are at one of, is this one of their headquarters?
What?
Is this one of their like headquarters?
I think this is the biggest Tokyo building.
The biggest Tokyo building we're at right now, so wow. Yeah. All right,
Okay.
vlog. Where are we at right now?
We are the Google Shibuya's Tokyo office.
Yes.
And
You want to tell them what's out there?
the view is amazing.
Breathtaking.
Wow.
Simply breathtaking. We're pretty. Yeah, what do you think about
They're
that?
doing construction on top of the building.
Oh my gosh. There's 4 like excavated. Holy wow. Well, huge thank you
Interesting.
to getting us up here.
Yeah.
But yeah, it is beautiful.
Oh, we can see the Tokyo Tower.
Yeah.
Where's that one?
Yeah,
Oh, is that the one
wow,
all the way
I
over
see it there for the first time. You know,
Wow. Check the spread. Wow.
I'm already eating.
I think we did pretty good, but this will be the what's it called? The cover art. Cover art. All right, vlog. The gang's out of the Google head. Oh yeah, go quick. Yeah. Man,
Waiting at all the crosswalks for the light to change.
it is popping out here. All right, at the Shibuya crossing. Oh my. The GoPro will be good. It's like a permanent 0.5, so it'll capture it. Holy. All right, take a look at this.
Actually, I want to try the check out the IKEA.
Yeah, let's go. Right now,
Jackson, that's it.
IKEA.
Some
A YouTuber.
Yeah, I have 160 subscribers.
Oh, damn.
How about you? Oh,
Me as well.
Oh.
I have 87 subscribers.
oh heck yeah, heck yeah. Yes.
Oh, someone was showing me that yesterday
Sorry.
too.
Yeah, on the dog.
calling.
Oh. Let's go see. Oh.
Basically, someone is calling.
Let me see. I don't think so. Hey, nice to meet you. How's it going? Arigato.
Bye.
Oh, that's arigato is like thank you.
Wait. I know it.
Oh, sayonara.
Sayonara?
Sayonara. Yeah.
That's Japanese? Okay, I used to know that as a kid.
Yeah. I think it's pronounced a little different. H.
Oh, yeah, sayonara.
I guess we were supposed to come up here.
There's another thing as well.
Another redhead.
Okay. But you are natural. That's like definitely died.
Okay, everyone. We can hop out. We get some live reactions. All right, you want to hit a live reaction of this ice cream?
Okay. Oh, okay.
Oh, triple live reaction.
Live reaction. Okay.
Okay. Trying the Swedish food. Mmm.
For a plant-based
That is
ice cream,
real-
this is good.
Yeah, that is actually.
This is completely plant-based.
Yeah.
I should have got the ice cream.
You don't touch it.
No, it's okay.
That wasn't. Yeah. What do you think?
It's okay.
Yeah. Hey, I mean, you didn't come to Japan for the Swedish,
No.
right? Is it Swedish? Yeah. The Swedish.
It's for the loop.
All right, we are at Muji.
When you're driving the bike.
It's awesome.